In this video, I'm going to teach you how to associate line items with a deal in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here to the sales and then locate the deals. If you can find it, it's also available on other options like marketing right here. Once you have opened the deals section, you can see the deals right there. Now you can just scroll to the line item section and add a line item for that. If you don't have a deal yet, just click on this add deal and click on the create new option. Once you have your deal right here, just proceed to open this. So once you have opened your deal, you can see right here the actual details for it. You can also scroll down to see the about options as well as the activity for this case, recent activities, and the likes. So you just need to add a line item for this, which typically can be added onto this part. You can just add a line item and choose an existing product or create a new one as well as a quality price associated with this. So you can find it right here. You can add subscriptions and likes right here in order to see what this is actually added. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.